must be Walters. Go over to King's and see if any of those brothers are missing. I want somebody hung for this, or you're not going to be sheriff any longer.
Attention, anyone on Medicare. Did you know you may now be eligible for additional Medicare-approved benefits, including free hearing aids, free eyeglasses, free home prescription delivery, and free rides to medical appointments?
We're both on Medicare and talked with an insurance agent, but we've been hearing a lot lately about newer plans with additional benefits and want to make sure that we're getting all the benefits that we're entitled to.
If you're not 100% sure about your Medicare benefits, it's time to call the Medicare helpline. The call is free. You could be eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan with no copays, no deductibles, and no monthly premiums. That's no as in zero.
Is it true that I don't automatically get the new additional benefits? But if I call, your agents can look up what plan I'm on and let me know if I'm getting all the benefits I'm entitled to.
That's right. Call now to instantly find out if you're eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan that includes additional benefits. You don't get these automatically, so call and see if you're eligible. The call is free and there is no obligation to enroll. Just call the toll-free number on your screen now to see if you qualify.
Our friends are all saying we should call right now to see if we can get new additional Medicare-approved benefits. But with so many people over 65 trying to call, won't the lines be busy?
The Medicare helpline is open to help anyone on Medicare make sure you are getting the benefits you deserve. Just call 800-508-1441 now to find out if you're eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan that includes additional benefits, including free hearing aids, free eyeglasses, free home prescription delivery, and free rides to medical appointments. There is no obligation to enroll. The call and Medicare benefits review are absolutely free. Call 800-508-1441. That's 800-508-1441.
Have you ever considered getting a walk-in tub? Well, look no further. Proudly made in Tennessee, a Safe Step walk-in tub is the best in its class. The 4-inch Easy Step keeps you safe from having to climb over those high-walled tubs, allowing you to age gracefully in the home you love. And now, back by popular demand, for a limited time, when you purchase your brand new Safe Step walk-in tub, you'll receive a free shower package. Yes, a free shower package. Now you can enjoy the best of both worlds, the therapeutic benefits of a warm, soothing bath that can help increase mobility, relieve pain, boost energy, and even improve sleep. Or if you prefer, you can take a refreshing shower all in one product, complete with a lifetime warranty. Call now to receive a free shower package with your brand new Safe Step walk-in tub.
1-800-773-7464. Attention! An important message for anyone diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. If you or a loved one had long-term exposure to the herbicide paraquat and were diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, you may be entitled to significant compensation. Studies have shown a link between the herbicide paraquat and Parkinson's disease, potentially affecting farmers, field workers, chemical applicators, or anyone handling or transporting paraquat. If you or a loved one were exposed to the herbicide paraquat, also known as gramoxone, and were later diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, call the Victims' Justice Group now. You may be entitled to substantial compensation. Our attorneys will fight to get you the compensation you deserve for your pain and suffering. If you or someone you love is a farm worker, field worker, chemical applicator, or anyone who handled or worked with the herbicide paraquat and then developed Parkinson's disease, don't delay. Call the Victims' Justice Group now. If you or someone you love were exposed to paraquat and were diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, call the number on your screen now.
In a lawless land,
If you're looking for trouble, you just found it.
there's one man you can bank on. Dale Robertson.
Nobody can argue with that.
Tales of Wells Fargo. Today, 5/4 Central on Grit.
Devlin,